Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys an amazing trailer we just got unloaded. This is a 2019 Wells Cargo Road Force 8.5 by 18. Now this trailer's got a lot of goodies on it. It does have about a 4-inch lift on it compared to what your standard trailers are, so you've got amazing ground clearance and a 30,000 BTU furnace package plus a bunch of other stuff I'm going to tell you guys all about. So if you guys are looking for a year-round trailer, dual purpose, multi-use, this is it. So we've got an extended triple tube tongue on this unit, so you guys will have a good turning radius. And then there's your propane storage for your furnace package. This one is in a charcoal blackout, so you've got the black diamond plate rock guard, the black corners, upper rounded black cap, and I love the gutter system that they use on these Road Forces. It's really cool. Hopefully you guys can see that. Upgraded side door to a 48-inch side door. It does have the RV lock. This one's insulated with windows. We'll talk about that more in a second. 250-200-pound torsion axles with brakes, aluminum wheels, radial tires, and I hope you guys can see this just has some incredible ground clearance on it. So amazing for snowmobiling, cars, UTVs, whatever you guys want to use this for. Again, it does have a power package. So you've got your twist lock plug located right here next to the side door, which is really nice. And then you do have an exterior GFI outlet back here in the back. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close, so it's very easy to open and close this rear ramp door. Now this is set up for cars as well if needed. So you do have a transition flap here off the ramp door. You also have a dovetail in the rear, so the drop of the deck of that trailer, sorry I can't talk, drops off about 3 inches, which is really nice. It's going to give you guys a nice easy approach angle coming in and out of the trailer there. Now I wanted to get you guys a shot of this side. This is a really good looking trailer as well. Extra interior height, I believe this is a 7.6 interior, and then you have insulated walls and ceiling with this unit as well, and the vinyl wall and ceiling liner, and then they trimmed it out in black, which is really cool. It ties it in nicely with the blackout package. You've got the amazing performance nudo floor with Drymax, which is this right here. Drymax is the product underneath, doesn't absorb the water or the moisture, and that's what's on the underneath side of the trailer as well. So great upgraded floor, and then again insulated walls and ceiling. With that power package you also have interior outlets throughout, and then we also upgraded the windows. These are nice big slider windows with screens, so you guys will have some great light in here. Overhead AC unit with a heat strip, couple of overhead LED lights, plus a roof vent here in the front. Upper aluminum cabinets, that's where your furnace is stored, and then you also have the vent right there, and again a 30,000 BTU furnace. You guys are not going to worry about being cold inside this trailer. It's going to be amazing. You've got a thermostat right here, toggle switch. You also have a converter with a 12-volt battery, which is going to help run your interior lights for you guys, and then there's your 30-amp breaker box up here in the front as well. Try and back up so you guys can kind of get a better idea of where those things are located. Interior step coming in, backside of the RV lock gives you guys a lock, a latch, a set of keys. There's another outlet. Toggle switches here. Those are going to turn on the overhead LEDs. And then we also did a load light facing this way for you guys at night. And let me spin around one more time. There's a load light back here at the ramp door as well, so you guys can have some exterior light and know what's going on at night. So here it is again, a great multi-use, multi-purpose trailer. This is truly a year-round trailer with having the AC and the furnace and the insulation. And as always, we'd love to earn your business. Give us a call. We'll work hard to earn your business and your trust. 303-688-8485. Or check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com. And if you don't live near us, that's okay. We do have shipping options available. Give us a call. We'll get you a shipping quote as well. 303-688-8485. And be sure to like and subscribe.